guys, welcome back to Owen's Family Adventures. Today we're gonna go on an elk hunt with my grandpa. So today we're gonna go up into the mountains and hopefully find a big elk so we can get it. Let's go and let's get started. So up there is where all the elk roam. We just saw a couple of deer up there yesterday, so hopefully we can catch a big elk. So first thing you do when you're elk hunting is make sure that you're low to the ground so the elk can't see you. And then the second thing you do is call or put scent of an elk. So I'm gonna call right now. I don't hear anything, but they could be very silent because it's hunting season for them. And once they see our orange, they might panic. So once we see one, we better take the shot. Oh, I see a big elk. It's a big bull elk. It's about a 10-pointer. I'm gonna take the shot. It's really hard to take it. I shot it. Oh no, but it's running. Let's take a follow-up. It's down, guys. Let's go look at it. It's really high up in this mountain. And now my elk tag is filled. That's good. I didn't want to come out here tomorrow because it's a day off for me because it's Veterans Day tomorrow. Wow. What a beautiful bull elk. Wow. That is amazing. That is cool. Okay, guys, let's see how many points it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 points all together. So it's a 6x6. Yay! I hope you guys liked this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!